Hello, today I will be presenting Allure Alhams, designed by Noha Alhams. The goal of this brand is to bring futuristic lifestyle into reality, with concepts and technology ahead of its time. This hotel will be located in major and mega cities such as Tokyo and New York, because we often think of urban environments when we think of the future. The target audience for this hotel are young travelers that can enjoy gadgets and technology. However, this hotel caters for anyone who would like to enjoy the experience. It is important to understand the mission statement of this hotel brand, which the design and the service is built on. The name Allure Alhams comes from the beauty and fascination behind this hotel brand. You will always have a good experience, but you never know what to expect because you're ahead of time and what reality is like. When I was brainstorming concepts for this hotel, I knew I wanted to do something with time, because time is a relative concept, yet we all experience it in different ways. Originally, I was thinking of going back in time and doing a retro 80s hotel. Then I decided to take an insight on the future and allow visitors that experience, and that's how I came up with the futuristic design concept. When programming the first floor of my hotel, I knew I wanted to have certain amenities. Then I began to create prototypical sketches focusing on the layout within each space and how I can create that to cater for my futuristic brand. I began to think a lot about curvature and how I can manipulate the architecture to make the space feel more futuristic, and how I can connect all of these spaces together. Then I developed my initial prototypical drawings into a criteria matrix, thinking about desired square footage and adjacencies and the different requirements I needed to have within each space and amenity. Later on, I developed that into bubble diagrams, which connect which spaces will be connected and which spaces will be adjacent to each other. Then I took the prototypicals, criteria matrix, and bubble diagrams and developed them into sketches. The initial sketches kept getting developed until I reached my final idea and design. This is the floor plan of the standard guest room. The bed is custom on a platform with lights around it. This elevated look makes visitors feel like they're sleeping on a spaceship. Other furniture are custom by incorporating the curvature of the architecture in the walls to create the furniture. For example, the desk, the nightstand, and the wardrobe are created within the curvature in the walls. Here are the transverse and longitudinal section of the standard guest room to help you better visualize the floor plan. The guest suite follows similar architectural concepts, yet the guest suite has an additional custom couch. Here is the transverse and longitudinal section of the guest suite room. This is a perspective rendering of what the guest suite room would look like. This is the floor plan including all the amenities and materials. The materials are used and manipulated in ways to convey the futuristic concept of this brand. In the entrance, there is the check-in and lobby area. The check-in is done using the virtual wall, and there are robots to help out through the process. The main seating areas of this lobby go inside the ground and up back again and merge with the floor. Some of the seating areas have tables and others don't have tables to accommodate enough space for wheelchairs to make it accessible for people with special needs. The lobby has porcelain tiles throughout. The gift shop located adjacent to the lobby sells gadgets and trendy and latest fashion. The gift shop has curved shelving to contribute to the futuristic design of this brand. Checkout is done using the virtual self-checkout kiosk located in the gift shop. The gift shop has concrete flooring. Moving to the gym, the machines have the latest technology to make working out easier for visitors. In the gym, there's a room with hologram training technology that caters towards each visitor's workout needs. This room acts as a personal trainer. The gym has different colors of black and purple rubber tiles throughout. Adjacent to the gym, there's the spa room, which there's an open jacuzzi accessible to everyone, and then there's 3 private massage rooms. The main area of the spa has dark gray modern tone wood. Porcelain tiles are used in the massage rooms. The restaurant is open to make the space feel more futuristic and connected to each other. The restaurant has parquet flooring. Moving next to it to the cinema. The cinema seats are on platforms that go inside the ground and up, similar to the lobby seats. The cinema seats make use of the columns for the tracks of which the seats go up and down. The seats are made of leather. The cinema carpet is a navy blue carpet with star pattern throughout. The snack bar has an epoxy countertop. The main hall connecting all the amenities together is a blue epoxy floor. This is the reflected ceiling plan of the hotel. In the lobby, there is custom ceiling panels with blue lights around them. In the gift shop, there is some wavy lights to create a more curvature to connect with the rest of the brand and design. The gym has loops of light around to make a sense of movement and to help motivate people working out. The spa has very relaxing low light with recessed lights and a pendant light over the jacuzzi. The restaurant and the snack bar have similar pendant lights over the tables and countertop. The cinema has low lighting to focus on the movie screen, yet there is lights around the platforms to help lead to exit ways and make the place safer. The hall connecting the spaces together has one long custom light connecting from the beginning of the hall to the end of the hall. This is the transverse and longitudinal section of the hotel. In the transverse section, you can see the cinema platform. You can also see the restaurant seating area. In the longitudinal section, so many different amenity spaces are shown, such as the lobby, the gift shop, the elevator landing area, the gym, the spa, the restaurant, and the cinema. This is the lobby perspective renderings. Notice the movements of the seats as they go in the ground and up at different levels. This is a rendering of the fitness center perspective. Notice the use of different gadgets throughout the machines and the hologram personal training room. This is a rendering of the cinema perspective during a movie. Notice that the platforms and seats are above the ground and the ground holds are closed off. The cinema seating is 100% accessible because the top seats go all the way to the ground, that anyone can easily roll a wheelchair into the seat platforms. My material palette focuses on materials that can be manipulated easily. I focused on a dark material palette to make the space feel like it's a scene out of a sci-fi or futuristic movie. Pops of color of pink, blue, and purples to add a playful element to target the young audience which the brand focuses on. These are the material specifications for the rubber tiles in the gym, the porcelain tiles in the lobby, and the leather used for the custom upholstery cinema seating, with basic information on such as product description and product maintenance details. Thank you for listening. Hope to see you at Allure Alhams in the near future.